So for our first look, we had Lindsay come in. This set right here is the typical hybrid set. This is the type of hybrid that everyone in the industry knows. And if you ask for a hybrid set, this is generally what you're going to get. So we did classic with handmade volume fans. She wanted a little bit more on the natural side. And so we decided to do a natural mapping, and then we kept the lengths a little bit shorter for her as well. I really want to say thank you to the traditional hybrid set, because this right here is what helped us and pushed us to define hybrid as what it is today.
I think traditional hybrid is perfect for a client who's brand new to the lash game. It's that in-between step between the classic look and the volume look. It allows them to still have that natural side with adding a little bit of fluff before they fully commit to that thick lash line.